In this video, I'll demonstrate how you could create a Google Classroom template that you can share with your co-teachers in preparation for the next school year or semester. To start with, review the pilot classroom that you would like to import teaching materials and assessments from. For this demonstration, let's have the pilot class I have taught last semester, which is Advanced Academic Writing. To check which post to reuse, click on the Classwork tab. As you would see, we have a lot of materials, quizzes, and assessments that we could reuse for the incoming semester. For this course, let's decide on the core materials like the syllabus, reference book, and the main assessments. After deciding which materials to include in our template, go to the dashboard and create the Google Classroom template for this course. Let's name it Advanced Academic Writing Template. Leave the following sections empty and click on Create. To reuse posts, go to the Classwork tab, click on Create, and choose Reuse Post. Choose the pilot classroom that we have mentioned earlier. Since we can't select multiple items, we'll have to do it one at a time. Make sure that this checkbox is checked to create new copies of all the attachments on our new posts. Once all the necessary materials and assessments are imported, share this template with your co-teachers by adding their names in the teachers list. Click on the People tab and click on Invite Teachers. Finally, make sure to remind your co-teachers that this is just a template. If they're going to teach this course, they would have to create their own Google Classroom and import the materials from this template.